In the evolving rhythm of modern living, the kitchen has transformed far beyond its original function as a place solely for preparing meals. It is now a central, multifunctional hub, a space for family gatherings, creative expression, and intentional design. Within this shift lies a growing movement that blends functionality with artistry, kitchen organization, and decor projects. For modern homeowners, interior enthusiasts, and especially for skilled craftspeople, engaging in these projects holds not only aesthetic and emotional satisfaction, but also meaningful financial potential. The convergence of beauty and utility in kitchen design offers a compelling opportunity to reshape both personal spaces and professional ventures. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of kitchen organizer and decorative projects ideas for modern living. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. There's something inherently satisfying about bringing order to the everyday. Kitchen organization touches something deeply human, our desire for calm within chaos, clarity within routine. When tools have their place, when spices are beautifully stored, and when surfaces are clean yet expressive, we create an environment that nurtures both creativity and serenity. But more than that, we create a kind of quiet artistry. A handcrafted spice rack made of oak and carefully oiled for longevity is not just a storage tool, it's a sculpture with a purpose. Floating shelves with live edge finishes aren't just practical, they become focal points. And minimalist wooden utensil holders? They speak the language of modern decor, warm, organic, and timeless. For artisans and woodworkers, the kitchen becomes a canvas, a place where form meets function in the most personal of ways. Building products like cutting boards, custom drawer organizers, pot lid holders, rolling carts, wall-mounted mug racks, or even hanging fruit baskets allows creators to showcase craftsmanship while solving daily problems. The act of carving out something useful from raw materials becomes an act of problem-solving, and in doing so, each project becomes a story. Customers don't just buy a knife block, they buy the feeling of better mornings, easier meal prep, and a more harmonious home. This deep emotional connection between object and experience is what gives these kitchen projects their financial value. The modern homeowner is no longer satisfied with mass-produced goods that lack soul. There is a steady and rising demand for handmade, sustainable, and personalized kitchen items, pieces that reflect personality and values. On platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and Pinterest, small batch artisans thrive by offering unique kitchen accessories that customers cannot find in big box stores. Every handcrafted product becomes a niche item with high perceived value. Buyers are willing to invest more in something that is both beautiful and meaningful. Moreover, kitchen decor has become a content goldmine in today's digital-first world. A beautiful pegboard storage wall, a coffee corner with a handmade mug tree, or even a DIY tutorial for a rolling spice drawer can easily go viral. Videos and blog posts that feature before and after transformations of cluttered kitchen spaces into stylish and functional zones often draw large audiences. This gives artisans and content creators the chance to turn their craft into a brand. Through instructional content, storytelling, and lifestyle marketing, kitchen organization projects can be leveraged to build loyal online communities, followers who eventually become customers, supporters, and advocates. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another powerful element is the adaptability of kitchen decor projects. From minimalist Scandinavian-inspired designs to rustic farmhouse aesthetics or bold, modern themes, woodworking and handcrafted solutions can be tailored to fit a wide range of styles. This flexibility enables creators to develop product lines that cater to specific demographics. A sleek, dark walnut bread box appeals to one taste, while a distressed reclaimed wood shelving unit speaks to another. This ability to pivot and cater designs to varying audiences adds diversity to the product offerings, increasing sales potential and long-term business sustainability. Let's not forget the joy of custom work. Many clients today seek personalized solutions that fit their kitchens perfectly, not only in size but also in design and functionality. This opens the door for commission projects that are priced higher due to their bespoke nature. A client might request a custom drawer insert that fits their particular spice collection or a handcrafted corner shelf that matches their cabinetry. These projects not only increase the artisan's income but also deepen customer loyalty as personalized service becomes an integral part of the brand experience. The artistic aspect of kitchen organization also feeds the creative soul. The process of design, from sketching the concept to selecting the wood grain to shaping and finishing, allows artisans to connect deeply with their work. There's immense personal satisfaction in knowing that something made by hand is helping families live better every day. Each project adds to a legacy of craftsmanship that is both intimate and purposeful. It transforms the kitchen into more than just a cooking space. It becomes a gallery of intention. Additionally, this niche appeals to sustainability-conscious consumers. Handmade kitchen organization products often use locally sourced or reclaimed wood, natural finishes, and eco-friendly production practices. Promoting these values not only benefits the environment, but also enhances the brand's identity. Consumers are increasingly drawn to businesses that reflect their own ethics, and when your products embody sustainability and quality, they become more than objects. They become statements. On the financial side, kitchen projects have a practical advantage. People will always need kitchens, and they will always need them to work better. Whether someone lives in a tiny apartment or a large home, organized and beautiful kitchen spaces are a universal desire. This consistent demand creates a stable market, especially for entrepreneurs who offer high-quality solutions to common pain points. The market for kitchen upgrades is vast, spanning young professionals furnishing their first apartments, busy families seeking smarter storage, and retirees remodeling for better functionality. The entry cost for creating these items is also relatively low. With basic tools and materials, even beginners can start small, making drawer dividers, utensil caddies, or wall hooks, and scale up as demand grows. As skills increase, so do the opportunities for innovation, allowing artisans to evolve from simple functional designs to full-scale artistic expressions. A successful portfolio of kitchen organization projects can even lead to interior design collaborations, licensing deals, or retail partnerships. In conclusion, the world of kitchen organization and decor projects is a powerful space where craftsmanship, artistic expression, and entrepreneurship intersect. For woodworkers and artisans, these projects represent more than income. They represent identity. They are expressions of thoughtfulness, order, and care. They turn homes into sanctuaries and chaos into calm. And perhaps most importantly, they offer the opportunity to build something enduring, not just in wood, but in legacy. By bringing beauty into everyday function, kitchen organization becomes more than a design choice. It becomes a movement toward intentional living, one handcrafted piece at a time. And for those bold enough to step into this space, the rewards, both personal and financial, are rich, real, and lasting. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked kitchen organizer and decorative projects ideas for modern living. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.